Hello everyone, in today's lesson we're going to learn how to create a landscape from organic and geometric shapes. Before we begin our artwork, we must learn the differences between geometric and organic shapes. Geometric shapes are ones we are most familiar with, such as circle, square, and rectangles, while organic shapes have curved lines and are often found in nature and tend to grow in some way, such as fruits, plants, animals, or even people. Let's see if you can tell the difference between organic and geometric shapes. Great job. Well done. Excellent. You rock. Now that you have a good understanding of the differences between shapes, let's talk about how we can use them to create a landscape. A landscape is a place outdoors that show natural scenery such as a farm, mountains, or forest. To create our landscape, we will begin by drawing a horizon line somewhere around the center of our paper. The horizon line helps to separate the sky from the land. This line does not have to be drawn with a ruler. To make our pictures look real, we will need to create a foreground that appears closest to you by making your drawing large. Secondly, we will need to create a middle ground that can appear in the middle by making it half as small as the foreground, and by drawing it halfway between the foreground and the horizon line. Lastly, you will need to create a background that appears furthest away by placing it closest to the horizon line and drawing it much smaller than the middle ground. By using a foreground, middle ground, and background, it helps to create the illusion of space on a flat surface. Use what you know about organic and geometric shapes to create a landscape. After all, shapes can be found all around us. See you next time.